Hi everyone. Today I'm going to step you through how to add an observation to iNaturalist, how to link it to the Backyard Species Discovery project, and how students can add a tag for their name to identify who uploaded the observation if you're working from a class account. Also, these instructions will be for the desktop version of iNaturalist. However, there is also an iNaturalist app available for Apple and Android, which is free, and it's fairly user-friendly to use if that's more your cup of tea. First of all, make sure you have created an account and assigned into iNaturalist. If you need instructions on how to do this, please watch my other video about how to sign up to iNaturalist. Second of all, make sure you have joined the Backyard Species Discovery project on iNaturalist. You can do this by clicking the community drop-down menu at the top and then going to projects. In the search bar here, type Backyard Species Discovery. Because I've typed it before, it's going to pre-populate. And select Go. It should find the project for you, so select that project by clicking it, and it will take you to the project page. To join the project, there will be an option at the top right here that will say join this project, but because I'm already joined, it's now telling me the option to leave this project. Okay. Now, to add an observation, you can do it directly from the project page here by selecting this big red button that says Add Observations. There is another option to select the green Upload button at the top here. Or if you are on the home page, on your profile, there will be an Add Observations button here. And there's even another button if you click Observations to add observations here. As they say, all roads lead to Rome. It doesn't really matter which one you select. Okay, I'm going to select the green one up the top here. Okay, and then we select Choose Files to select the photos for our observation. I've got 3 different photos here, so I'm going to select these 3. And click Open. Now it is displayed 3 separate observations here. Now I just want all the photos to be in the one observation, so all I have to do is just drag and drop them into the one there. The next is the time and location of the observation. Because I used my smartphone to take these photos, it has already pre-populated the date and the time and the location of this observation. However, if you are using a non-smartphone, like a camera, an SLR camera or digital camera, you can add this information in manually. It's not a problem. The next thing is the species name. Now I have no idea which species it is. iNaturalist sometimes will try and guess. It's got an image recognition software. It will try and guess what the species is. It's pretty sure it's in this genus, and then these are some of the species options. It could even not be in this genus. It's only pretty sure. So if you just want to be careful, you can just select the kingdom fungi. Narrowing it down a little bit just helps in speeding up the identification process. Okay, you can also add a little bit of a description there if you wanted to add any extra information. Maybe was observed in a group of 20 to 30 other mushrooms. You could say something like that. So that's basically all the information you need. Now the important part is to add it to the Backyard Species Discovery project. And you do that by going down to the project drop-down menu here. And it's already recognized that I'm linked to a project and given me this option, so I'm going to select it. Okay, for your students who are uploading their own observations to your class account, it might be a good idea to ask them to add a tag with their name. So say I was in your class, I could write my name here and just press add. Therefore, my name is linked to this observation and you can identify who uploaded what. All right, once you are happy with all of the information, you can press submit. I'm just going to deselect this because I don't need it. And that observation is now submitted and linked to the project. So if we go to the Backyard Species Discovery project here, I just want to quickly show you, if we do select our Add Observation button here, it displays a little bit differently. However, all the fields are essentially the same. It's what did you see, when did you see it, where were you, and some photo uploads. The benefit of doing it through the project means you don't have to worry about adding it to the project. It's already linked to the Backyard Species Discovery project. So it just removes that little step of having to add it there, but they're all essentially the same. Right, that's it for this video, and hopefully it helps you understand how to upload an observation, and happy exploring in your backyards.